Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in today's lecture. Topic for today's lecture discussion is pragmatics. Dear students, I have taken one lecture on the same topic, that is pragmatics. So it is the continuation of the first topic, okay? It's part 2, you can consider. Now, what is pragmatics? Dear students, as we have already defined that pragmatics is the study of the meaning in context, and it deals with implied meaning as opposed to the mere lexical meaning expressed. Dear students, pragmatics does not deal with the individual meaning of words like semantics. Okay, in semantics we are studying words meanings in isolation, okay, individual words meanings. So for pragmatics, we need what? We need context. So we can understand language in context, or it also means that how like meanings are changing with the passage of time, like with the variation of contexts, okay, from one context to another context, or from context to context, from individual to individual, from country to country, from society to society, okay, changes occur in meanings. So this is the job of pragmatics. How utterances are used, it's also the interpretation of meaning is called pragmatics, that how speakers make meanings of words. In other words, pragmatics means how people make senses, how people they are generating or taking meaning of each other linguistically, okay, how they are understanding the whole communication within the premises of contexts. Now, dear students, what are the components of pragmatics? There are three important and main components of pragmatics, namely Pragmalinguistics. This is the first important components of pragmatics. Socio-pragmatics, we can say social pragmatics, or Pragmalinguistics, socio-pragmatics, and psycholinguistics. Sometimes psycholinguistics is considered like one of the branches of linguistics, but it also occurs under the umbrella of pragmatics. We can say that broadly we have pragmatics. Within the umbrella of pragmatics we have these three sub branches of pragmatics. So first one, pragmalinguistics. Pragmalinguistics is the integration of grammar with pragmatics, has created an area of the study entitled Pragmalinguistics. Yes, so it is the integration of grammar in pragmatics. So grammar plus pragmatics becomes Pragmalinguistics. Pragmalinguistics provides practical explanations on grammar, like on the basis of grammar, okay, when we are taking practical and technical understanding or explanation of meanings, and tries to find the most appropriate and practical structures for utterances in a language for teaching purpose. So it also includes here the technical usage of language, applied linguistics we are using this. This is the branch of applied linguistics, we can say. Another term, another main component of pragmatics is socio-pragmatics. Socio-pragmatics can be defined as the sociological interface of pragmatics. The sociology of language in pragmatics becomes the socio-pragmatics. It indicates the social perceptions that underlie participants' interpretation and performance of communicative action. Socio-pragmatics is related to appropriate social behavior, and learners must be made aware of the outcome of making pragmatic choices. The third one branch or a component of pragmatics is psycholinguistics. Dear students, psycholinguistics is the study of language with reference to mind. Yes, when we are studying language with reference to mind, when we are studying the sociological and biological factors of language with reference to mind, so it becomes psycholinguistics, which is the main component of pragmatics. So, psychopragmatics. Psychopragmatics deals with how children and non-native learners learn or acquire a foreign language. It also presents theories, approaches, and principles to the language teaching area. It investigates how to design and organize a lesson plan. It can be stated that it makes a significant contribution to methodology of language teaching. Dear students, psychopragmatics basically means that how we have what are the different theory of language learning, like we have behaviorism, we have mentalism, anarchism, behaviorism, structuralism, okay, cognitivism, interactionalism. Like these are the different and various theories of language learning. So how these theories are developed, on what basis, on what grounds these theories are developed. So this is the job of psychopragmatics, that deals with the acquisition or learning of a second language, especially in non-native learners. Thanks for watching, dear students. Assalamu alaikum.